Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Dutty, boy D from the Lost, and I'm coming at shit from the reason. You know what? Going as an easy team and bringing you some more G35 content. Got me a big old box in the mail for this bad boy right here. It was a little dirty. It's alright. Alright, so we're gonna be replacing off this chrome piece right here with the trunk key and the back camera with this bad boy right here, the carbon fiber duckbill wing. So give us a minute, get right back to you. We're gonna be taking off the chrome camera lid thingy and we put it on a carbon fiber diffuser. Alright, so all we're gonna do is take off these clips with a flathead. Should be 6, 7, 8 of them. Take them off with a flathead for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on that. That's even better. Alright, so this is connected to this part right here. We're gonna try to leave this in if we can. Let's take a look. Okay, we just do it just like this. Yeah, leave it in, just take it out, take the headliner off, put it to the side. All right, so now we need this bad boy off. So we're gonna unplug, let's take a look, There's the camera at. So we're just gonna try to pop this off. All right, actually, we did not have to even take off the camera. So the camera, all that stuff is gonna be intact. We're gonna fix that up just a tad bit. Do I need this? I don't think I do. I'm gonna take this out. Put that to the side. Go grab the carbon fiber wing. My boy, Sonny Biggs right here. Sonny. And pretty much this bad boy is gonna sit just like that. All right, so we're gonna line everything into the slots, and this is pretty much how it's gonna sit. All right, so it looks like the trunk will not be flushed in there like the camera is. We still access it, so that's fine. All right, so we're gonna tape it up just to make sure it's even. And we do have the two-sided adhesive 3M tape on the wing itself. So I'm just gonna align it, make sure everything is even. All right. Right, and I'll put 2 in the middle. Just want it to be as flush as possible. As you see from already over here, looks like it's gonna be flush a little bit. It's gonna be poking up a little bit from the right. We'll try to work on that, and also right here, but that's not a big deal. So we're gonna tape it down. All right, so we'll tape it down for a minute. Like I said, give you guys a closer look at the fitment, the camera does fit pretty good in there, but like I said, my trunk button, I can still push it and stuff like that, still get in there, but it's not as flush inside of there, if you guys can see that. All right, so moving on to the next step, we're just gonna start taping it up slowly but surely. Double check, make sure everything is even on it and flush. And we're also gonna do the turtle wax and dry. Keep the carbon fiber fresh. Don't want ashy or faded carbon fiber. Just make sure everything is even one more time. All right, so we're gonna take one side of the tape off at a time. We're gonna start from the right hand side here. I'm gonna put this tape here, and remove this tape now. All right, just lift it up like that for right now. And like I'm gonna have to take this one up as well. All right. So we're just gonna lift the tape slowly but surely. Wish I had nails to make this a little bit easier. Just line it up. Flush down on it. Now I got one little scratch. Must have came in like that. It's not really that noticeable, but you guys just see is one scratch right here. Like I said, not noticeable at all. Other than that, everything looks pretty damn good. Just get this side flushed in. Like I said, we just want to make sure the sides are flushed. That way you're not on the highway cruising high speeds or whatever. Next thing you know, you lose your fucking duckbill. So just make sure it is in there. And if it doesn't look like it's sticking, mine's is sticking. If it doesn't like it's sticking, you might need some more, or better 3M tape adhesive. But this bad boy sticking. This side is a little bit loose, so I'm gonna keep working on this side. Might have to add additional tape to make sure this keeps sticking. All right, let's look at it. All right, so this side looks like it's great. Let's take this tape off. Take this tape off. All right, this side can be a little bit more plush, but I mean, it probably won't fit perfect. Might need a little bit more tape. So I'll tape this bad boy up, and then we should be good to go. Should be good to go, all right? All right, so now that we got, show you guys, now that we got everything back installed fully on the trunk, everything, screws, all that stuff is back in there, we're gonna actually wax down this carbon fiber. All right, we're gonna actually use the wax and dry. All right, make sure, like I said, stay as clean and carbon fiber look as possible without it being ashy or fading. Like I said, it's carbon fiber, so the sun will indeed dry it out and make it look ashy or dry. So like I said, want your crisp, brand new carbon fiber look, keep it with the wax and dry. You're gonna have to probably wax it about every 2 weeks, depending on where you're at. I live in North Carolina, a lot of sun, so I'm definitely gonna have to probably wax it about once a week to keep it clean, once a week. Like I said, the fitment is perfect on it. The only thing, I think I messed up a part. As you can see, my trunk lid, it's kind of in. I can still open up the trunk at the same time. The camera is really flush in it, but this part right here, like I said, it's still accessible, but I mean, that's fine. I'm not really worried about that. Like I said, the wing looks beautiful. Like I said, I got a surprise. I'll be uploaded to the channel next week. You guys are gonna love it. This is my first carbon fiber piece. I have some more carbon fiber on the way. I'm just gonna make sure we just clean it. Yes, I know my car is dirty. Like I said, I live in North Carolina. We got like 4 seasons all in 1 week. But I will be cleaning my car later on today. Right. Like I said, this is just a beautiful wing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful duckbill. Beautiful. Alright. Let's just look at the fitment one more time. Like I said, it's really, really good. So that if you will feel that you want a little bit more reassurance on it, you can actually get a little bit more tape. And I recommend just the sides right here, just to get them as more plush down as possible. But like I said, it's not going anywhere. Be in my face. All right, y'all. And that is how you install a carbon fiber duckbill wing on an Infiniti G35 Sedan. And this will also go for the G37. I have the 08 G35 HR. So G35/G37 V36. So thank you guys. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and definitely please subscribe to the channel to keep up with this car's project as I continue to modify it for you guys. Like I said, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. We out.